So, phototropism is a growth response dependent on sunlight. Right, a few bits to know about auxins before we start. So, remember, a plant hormone is called an auxin. Remember that in phototropism, the auxins move away from the light. Plants are positively phototropic because they grow towards the light, and our auxin is found at the tip. So the tip is going to be just there. It's two states or two kind of ways that we need to look at that, right? The first one is if we have light coming from above, right? So we've got light from above, which is going to be the first one that we want to go and look at. So if light goes and shines from above, it's going directly down onto the auxin, right? So the auxin isn't going to move to either side. So all that happens is that the auxin goes and it diffuses. It diffuses down evenly down the plant. So the auxin goes and moves evenly down the plant, right? So you can see there it's moving down, right? That causes both sides to grow evenly, so for the cells on both sides to elongate evenly, which therefore causes the plant to go and, right, unfortunately I've not got any stretchy cells, right, which causes the plant to go and grow straight up towards the light. So that's what happens if light is coming from straight above. If, however, then we've got light where so we've got light coming in from this side, from the side in this case. So light from one side, that is going to go and cause the auxin. So instead of the auxin being in the middle, the auxin is going to move away from it. Right? The auxin itself is negatively phototropic. The auxin is moving away from the stimulus. So it moves away from the stimulus. So therefore only diffuses down one side, right? So only the cells on the side, on the one side that it's diffusing down, actually grow. So the auxin, remember, we start off, the auxin goes and moves away from the light. That is going to cause one side to grow more than the other. Well, in fact, because it goes and it diffuses down just one side, so we get one side growing more than the other, so we have more cells, so therefore your plant ends up growing towards where that light's coming from on the opposite side, right? And that is phototropism.